Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, you just keep losing? Like your dreams are slipping further away with every step you take? This is the story of a boy who almost gave up until a single conversation changed his life forever. Once upon a time, in a small village near a quiet river, there lived a 16-year-old boy named Arjun. His family was poor. His father worked as a carpenter, running a small wooden shop that barely earned enough to keep them fed. Arjun wasn't the smartest boy in school, nor was he the strongest. But he had one silent, powerful trait. He never gave up. Every morning before the sun touched the treetops, Arjun would wake up and run along the riverbank. His dream? To one day become a great runner and get selected for the district sports academy? If he could get in, he would train like a real athlete, make his father proud, and maybe even grow that tiny wooden shop into something big. But there was just one problem. He always lost. For 2 years, he entered every local race, yet every time he came in second or third. One day, his friend said, "Arjun, maybe running just isn't for you. You're wasting your time," but Arjun didn't stop. Every single day, he kept running through heat, through cold, and even through pouring rain. One stormy morning, while running on the muddy trail, Arjun slipped and fell hard. His clothes were soaked, his ankle throbbed with pain, and frustration finally broke through. Sitting under a tree, rain dripping from his hair, he whispered through tears, "Maybe they're right. I've tried so hard for so long and I still lose. Maybe I'm just not good enough." Just then, an old farmer passed by with his cows. Seeing Arjun crying, he stopped and asked gently, "Why are you crying, son?" Arjun poured out his heart. "I run every day. I give it everything I have, but I always lose. I think I'm just wasting my time." The farmer listened quietly and then pointed to a nearby bamboo grove. "Do you see that bamboo over there? You know how long it takes for a bamboo seed to grow?" Arjun shook his head. The farmer smiled. 5 years. For 5 long years, you water it, care for it, and yet nothing breaks the surface. It looks like nothing is happening. But beneath the soil, its roots are growing deep and strong. Then suddenly, in just a few weeks, it shoots up 80 feet tall. He looked Arjun straight in the eyes and said, "Son, you are like that bamboo. Right now, you are growing your roots. Don't stop now." Those words lit a fire inside Arjun's heart. From that day on, he no longer ran to prove others wrong. He ran to prove himself right. Rain or shine, heat or cold, he ran every single day. He studied videos of professional runners, improving his breathing, posture, and timing. Slowly, quietly, Arjun grew stronger and faster. A year later, the day of the district inter-school race finally arrived. The winner would be selected for the prestigious District Sports Academy. The ground buzzed with excitement. Strong runners from city schools filled the starting line, their sleek shoes and uniforms making Arjun feel small and out of place. But he remembered the farmer's words, "Grow your roots." The whistle blew. Arjun started not the fastest, but steady, focused, and calm. He didn't panic when others surged ahead, didn't quit when his legs burned with pain. Step by step, he stayed in his rhythm. Then, in the final 200 meters, something inside him clicked. It was as if his body was made for this very moment. One by one, he passed the others, his heart pounding like a drum. Finally, he crossed the finish line first place. The crowd erupted in cheers. His friends and teachers shouted with joy while his father stood frozen. Tears streaming down his face, hands trembling with pride, Arjun had been selected for the District Sports Academy. But more importantly, he now believed in himself. Years passed. Arjun returned to his village, no longer just a dreamer, but a successful athlete and a source of inspiration for many. He went to visit the old farmer who now sat peacefully beneath a banyan tree. With a grateful smile, Arjun said, "Because of your words, I found myself, thank you. If I hadn't heard your advice that day, I might have given up." The farmer replied softly, "I'm glad my words helped you, Arjun. But remember, you were the one who chose not to quit. The strength was always within you. Great things take time. Just because you don't see results right away doesn't mean your efforts are wasted. Like the bamboo, your roots may be growing strong beneath the surface, preparing you for something greater." Many people give up right before they're about to achieve their breakthrough. But those who remain patient, consistent, and persistent are the ones who succeed. So whatever your dream is, keep going. Your time will come.